In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear. Click on voice typing and make sure that your switcher is blue. Now to use voice typing, click on the microphone. Tap on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!